maybe lost all of the photos tonight. Don't buy cheap memory cards. Wow. What a ghost town in this office today. The only ones working appears to be Will, Nadine, Carrie, myself, and Courtney.
Perfect.
So let's go to Vancouver instead.
Yes.
All right, couldn't have asked for better weather. Just a beautiful sunny day to head to Vancouver. We are gonna check out some fireworks tonight, get some photos and some videos. Stay tuned, it's gonna be fun. Hi. What you doing? Hi. Oh, what's that? Who's excited for Vancouver? Wah, 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 wah. To kill 6 hours before the fireworks. So we're gonna scope out a spot for some fireworks.
Okay, let's do this.
Donovan didn't go to the bathroom in the restaurant that we were in, so he found some houses that were set up. But yeah, there is like a ton of people here, and it's pretty crazy. So we're gonna try to find a spot. Hopefully not get lost.
I'm videoing you. Okay, second spot for fireworks was better than the first spot.
Way better.
And now we are going home. We'll see what time we get there because it's already late. And we We are home just before 4 o'clock. Not bad.